Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Most traders are profitable on some days and completely lost on others. And the frustrating part? They have no idea why. Over the past few weeks, many of you have been asking me one serious question. Sir, what exactly will I learn inside your 7-Day 7 Strategies course? And is it really worth it? So today, I want to answer that clearly and honestly. Let me ask you something first. Are you still using the same random strategy every single day? On Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, expecting the same results? Because here is the truth, the market will never tell you directly. The market does not behave the same way every single day. And that is the biggest mistake most traders make. Same strategy, different market condition, and then they wonder why it stopped working. The 7-Day 7 Strategies course is built on one powerful idea. Each day of the week has its own personality. Monday builds structure. Tuesday reacts or continues. Midweek expands and creates opportunity. And the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, behaves completely differently again. Most traders ignore this. Smart traders adapt to it. Instead of guessing what the market will do, we study what the market tends to do day by day, and we prepare accordingly. Now let's talk specifically about Tuesday, because Tuesday is one of the most misunderstood trading days. Here is what most traders miss. Tuesday does not move randomly. It responds directly to what Monday did. If Monday built an incomplete move, Tuesday continues that move. If Monday was aggressive and overextended, Tuesday corrects it. And here is the key. On Tuesday, we watch for one specific price behavior in the first 90 minutes. That one behavior alone can define your entire trade plan for the day, your entry, your direction, and your risk. But only traders who understand Tuesday's condition will see it clearly. Everyone else will be reacting. You will be prepared. Inside the course, I don't just hand you entry signals. I teach you how to read the market condition first, because entries are easy. Any indicator can give you an entry. What actually makes you consistent is knowing when not to trade. Skipping the wrong setup is just as valuable as taking the right one. And let me be completely honest with you. There is no magic strategy. There is no 100% win rate. Anyone promising you that is selling you a fantasy. Trading always involves risk. That will never change. What I provide is structure. You get exact entry conditions for each day. You get a filter checklist, so you automatically skip bad setups before they cost you money. You get a clear risk rule that tells you exactly how much to risk before you even open a chart. That structure is what builds real, long-term confidence. Not hype, not excitement. Inside the course, you receive complete step-by-step PDF rules for every strategy, exact indicator settings, no guesswork. Live recorded trade examples so you can see the strategy working in real market conditions. And full visual breakdowns so nothing feels confusing or overwhelming. This course is beginner-friendly, but it is also structured enough for experienced traders who are tired of inconsistency and want real discipline. Traders already inside the course are applying this weekly structure to their trading plan. And the biggest shift they report is not just better entries, but better decision-making overall. And here is something I want you to sit with for a moment. Most traders fail not because they lack a strategy. They fail because they lack a system. A strategy tells you what to do. A system tells you when to do it, how much to risk, and when to stay out completely. Without a system, even a good strategy will fail you. If you are serious about moving from random trading to structured trading, if you want a clear, rule-based plan for every single day of the trading week, then this course was built for you. I have kept the pricing reasonable because my goal is education first, not overpricing, not overpromising. You can explore the complete 7-Day 7 Strategies course at amcourses.com. The link is in the description below. But before you click away, ask yourself one honest question. Do I want to keep experimenting with random strategies? Or do I want a structured weekly plan that tells me exactly what to look for every single day? If your answer is structure, then I'll see you inside. If this video gave you clarity, do 3 things right now, like this video. Comment Tuesday below. It tells me you're serious about structured trading, and subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies for disciplined, no-hype trading education every week. Always remember, discipline beats excitement, structure beats guessing, and protecting your capital, that is always, always the first priority. Because a trader who protects capital stays in the game, and staying in the game is how you eventually win it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.